Let me show you invoices so that I can explain you. From Gateway of Tally, I have opened DSSS. Now you can see there is a sale invoice has opened. Now let me show you print preview of the invoice. So click on print, then current, and then preview. By pressing F4, I am zooming the invoice so that I can show you. Now you can see bottom of the left corner there is a company's term and condition mention, as you would have seen in purchase or sale invoices. If you also want to mention term and condition on your invoice, so how you will be enable this option. So from gateway of Tally, click on alter option and then voucher type option, and from here you need to open your sales voucher type. So I'm going to open takes invoice. This is a sales voucher. Here you can see there is a option set alter declaration. Mark this option yes, and here you can mention your company's term and condition one by one, point to point, whatever term and condition you want to mention on your company's sales invoice format, so you can mention one by one. On top, I have mentioned term and condition. One by one, you can mention point number one, point number two, point number three. One by one, you can mention and save this screen. After saving this screen, I will show you this whatever term and condition you will be mentioned over here, that will be print on your sales invoice. Now let me open sales invoice once again, and I will show you whatever changes we have done that will be implement on sales invoice. So I'm going to open any of sales invoice so that I can show you. Now you can see sales invoice has opened. Click on print current and then preview option by pressing F4 so that invoice can be zoomed and I can show you. Now you can see bottom of the left side, you can see term and condition, and whatever point we have mentioned and save, all those point is showing over here. So in this way you can also mention term and condition on your sales invoice. After opening Tally Prime, first we need to create basics ledger for maintaining this account, for maintaining these services. So from gateway of Tally, click on create option and then click on ledger option. So first ledger we will create of Shiv Enterprises, who is our suppliers. So under group you need to select sundry debtors, maintain balances bill by bill yes, fill all information of party, GST number and save this ledger. Second ledger we will create of rental services. If you are in a business where you sell rental services to suppliers, so this is your main source of income. So rental services ledger will be created under indirect income group. GST will be applicable and set alter GST details, mark yes and fill SSC code of rental services. Nature of transaction, select sales taxable if you are providing local, and 18% tax rate will be applied. Type of supply, select services and save this. So basics ledger will be created. Now let's go for recording entry. So if you are selling rental services, so from gateway of Tally, press V, and from the right hand side select sales voucher, and by pressing F2 you can change the date in which date you are making invoice. From the right hand side click on change mode, as because we are going to sell services, so select accounting invoice, and after that select your party account name if you are making invoice on any of your party company name, or any of your party, any of your person name. So you can select party name or person name and select rental services. In description you can mention, if you have so many shops, so you can mention here which shop number you are going to give on rent. So I am mentioning over here shop number 5, and the rent you have to mention, let's suppose it's 9,000 plus GST per month. If you wish you can also mention in description for which month you are going to make rental services invoice, and apply CGST and SGST. Now the invoice is completed. In this way you can also make invoice if you are providing rental services